Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial I show you how to use Select2. First of all, what is Select2? Select2 is a one kind of jQuery plugin which is provide advanced select box or select input. Let me show you normal select box here. In this form you can see here this is the normal select input with lots of options. And I going to make this select box to Select2 input with more capability like searching and everything. Select2 library give you customizable select box, tagging, remote data set, multiple selection, searching and many more. And main benefit is you can easily set up it and easily use it. No need to spend too much time for that. So guys, let's take one example and convert these select box into the Select2. Let me show you official documentation of the Select2. Select2 have a well documentation and you can refer it as well, and we can install and use Select2 throughout three ways. First of all, you can install throughout the Bower if you are using Bower in your application. Second one is you can download directly and include as assets in your application. And third one is very easy way, you can use CDN. So in this demo I going to use these CDNs and show you the example. We just need to copy these CDNs into the our main blade file. If you are using Laravel, you need to specify into the app.blade.php or whatever which is your main file, and if you are using into the HTML, you just need to put this JS and CSS into the header part, and let's copy it from here and add in my this app.blade.php. This is main file for my this Laravel application. Let me add here and save it. Also let me copy the CSS link and add inside the header part. You can select any version from here which is released by the Select2. Also you can filter the assets, JavaScript and style, so you can easily filter it and select your desired version CDN here. Now next thing is we need to convert this select box to Select2 input, because we added CDN into the our application, so installation part is done. Next is we just need to specify Select2. We can convert these fields. Let me show you where this field is placed. You can see here this is the field category, and I need to convert this select box to Select2. So we can convert it using ID or class. I already specified ID because I need to specify label, that's why I already specified here. But if not specified, you need to specify ID, or you can specify class as well. So let's create one section. Into the app.blade.php we have one stack. You can see here I going to push that script part using the push and stack, which is Laravel concept. So I going to specify here and specify page script. Now I need to specify script tag, and I need to write everything inside the script block. Now let me specify dollar document dot ready and we need to specify dollar and specify id category. Let me go and copy it so we can specify it here, and then let me specify select function. This is the select2 method which is provided by the library, and this method is powerful. Convert normal select input to select2. One more thing is we need to specify inside the dollar document.ready, and you have a question why we need. Basically, we need to confirm DOM is rendered or not. So when DOM is ready, then browser initialize the select2 and wrap up. So we need to specify category dot select2 inside the document dot ready block, and this ready function confirm DOM is rendered, so we can properly render the select2. I think everything is done. Let me save and refresh. And you can see here now this select box is converted into the select2 advanced input. We can search it here. This is local search by the library, but it's very useful when lots of options available in our input. You can see here lots of options available in this category drop down and select box, and I want to search food. I can easily search and select. So this is very great package and you can use it. Next thing is I going to show you how we can specify multiple selection into the select using the select2. It's very simple. Just we need to specify all kind of options here. Let me specify multiple and give you example. Just we need to make true. By default multiple is false as the configuration. Now I make it true and save, and let's refresh, and you can see here we can easily select it. So lots of options available. Next thing is we can create dynamic options, and you can say tagging. So we just need to specify tags true. So let's refresh. I make one mistake. I need to specify comma here and then refresh, and let me add dynamic options. You can see here I can add anything here as a option. So we can easily specify dynamic option, and you can say tagging. If you want to tagging in your form, then you can use it. Next thing is I show you one more option. If you want to disable the input, you just need to specify true, and let's save and refresh. Input is disabled. You need some time, not always, but you can disable it using these disable options. Lots of options also available. For example, let me remove disable first, so we can go for new option. Let's refresh. Now you can see here I select and the drop down is closed, but I want to keep open because I want to select multiple options in one slot. Then we can specify one option, close on select false. By default this option is true. Let me refresh and show you. So you can select in one slot and click outside and it's automatically closed. Let me show you where you can see all options. You need to go inside the options and all the options listed here. If you want to load these all options throughout the one Ajax call, Select2 provide the capability, and you can see example given here. You just need to specify the API and type of the response and you can do it. So this is provide a remote data set as well, and other lots of options available. You can use it based on your requirement. Next thing is I going to show you the events. Other lots of events also provided by the Select2. So go here into the programmatic control. You can see here add select and clear items. You can add any options like that using the new options instance, and you need to specify into the Select2. You can programmatically add anything, so you need to refer this section. Let me show you the events. This all kind of events provided by the Select2. Let me show one example. We need to give this ID here and let's alert when anything is select. We fire alert. Let's refresh and check, and you can see here I got the alert selected. Same thing we can fire or other. Let's use this event and specify here. Refresh. When I click outside and this drop down closing, that time this event is fired. So you can get or listen every movement of the Select2. You can see here closing, close, opening, open, selecting, select, unselecting, unselect, clearing, clear. So you can do it anything in any point in this library. So this is a very rich library and you can easily use it. Also this library have well documentation with the good example, so you can do it. Also lots of thing given here for the dynamic option creation and placeholder search. You can do it, changes into the search and manipulate. You can use matchers as well, so you can refer this documentation as well. You can set a minimum input length and maximum input length, everything. So thank you for watching the video. Please do not forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.